we'll finish up working on our simple navigation on this video. There's not too much left to do. So let's go ahead and put a work back on the links and the A link and A visited, so it shows in both states. Let's add a border on the right. Since we're working with borders, we might as well do that. So make it solid, 2 pixels, and what was it? Let's make it. We'll make it red because that's easy. Oops, I forgot to put the 2 pixels in. Pushing too fast here, so save that and hit refresh. Now we have a little space in between each one. Oh, I know what I forgot to do. Okay, let's add a border on the left as well. And we'll add the same. Maybe I'll just put this in the next row, and I'm just going to copy this and add the same. Save. Although it doesn't show, so maybe we'll make this. Well, we'll save it. And what I forgot to add was some padding, which is going to make all the difference. So we'll add some padding. We're going to make it 10 pixels, and that's going to be for the top and the bottom. And then we'll try 15 pixels on the left and right. And we'll see how that looks. Maybe too big to fit in our little space, and it is indeed. If we make it a little bigger, it works just fine. So maybe we'll leave it like that. And now so there's some simple navigation. One thing I wanted to do, since it's starting to look like little boxes for each button, or little buttons, let's go ahead and take the underline off. So text decoration, I say none, and hit refresh, and that takes the underline off. Now let's go ahead and add some styles for our cover state. So A, cover. And for this one, we're going to give it a different background color. Let's see. We'll make, just to be simple, we'll make it black, and then we'll make the color of the text the color that we had as the background. So we'll just copy that from here. And let's hit save and see what happens. So you can see we have a nice cover state, so it really shows that we have buttons there. We could change the color of the borders on that as well, but I'm running, well, we have time, so let's go ahead and do that. We'll just do border right, and maybe we'll make it yellow. Oops, I need to spell it right. And then we need to give it, make it solid and make it 2 pixels so it matches, because I don't like things to jump around. And then we're going to make it border left, and we'll copy that same thing. We'll copy that and put that here. And save. Maybe I'll put this on the next line so it's easier to see. Hit refresh. And now you can see I have a little yellow border on these. So when I roll over, they have a different color border, they have a different color background, and the text is a different color as well. So that looks a little more stylish too. And one thing we could do, even though it's probably a little hard to tell, you can see my page is just reflowing. I'll stretch it beyond this and everything keeps reflowing. So let's go over adding an overall div again. So I'm going to go here, and right after my opening body tag, I'm going to add a div, and I'm going to give it an ID equals wrapper. And close that. And then I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom, and right before my closing body tag, I'll close my div. And save. And it's not going to do anything yet, because I haven't given it any styles. But all we're going to do is give it a couple of real quick styles. We're going to give it a set width. I'll make it 750 pixels. Hopefully that will fit. Let's save and see what happens. It doesn't fit in the area we have. Oh, it helps if you give it a, put in the ID. I'm hurrying and it's not working, so there we go. That's too small. Okay, so let's go for 800. Maybe we'll make it 850. We've got a lot of, you can see we made our navigation too big and it doesn't fit, but now it fits. So there it is. It all fits in there. And the navigation text is all centered on that, so let's go ahead and add some margin to our wrapper. So we'll give it 10 pixels on the top, and then auto, and that will repeat, so it'll be 10 pixels on the bottom and auto on the left as well, so it makes my page centered. And there you can see I automatically have the same margin on each side. That's my little bit of extra styling. I could add a border to this, sure, why not, since we're talking about that. So we'll give it a border, we'll make it red, 1 pixel, and solid. And that'll be the last bit of code we do for this. So now you can see I have a little border all the way around my whole little web page. So got a little style, was pretty simple to do, so have fun with this.